Jesus Christ.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this vlog series is a continuation of the GTCO Fashion Weekend casting vlog. If you haven't watched that, now is a good time to pause, go watch it, then come back and continue with this one. So it's Fashion Week and all selected models from the GTCO Fashion Weekend casting are being assembled. Ewo. No be small assembly, no. Agba Power Rangers. Anyways, we are being assembled where we'll be addressed and allocated to our apartments for the duration of Fashion Week fittings, rehearsals, until after show day. So come with me. It's everything about this location for me. I mean, look at this view. The sun was giving, the location was so spacious, the weather was just perfect, everything was just perfect. Oh, Jesus Christ.
We're going down.
Downstairs, last floor.
So we're not educated.
So welcome to my YouTube channel again, guys. It's Fashion Week season and I'm going to give you a tour of the model apartment. Behind the camera is my beautiful roommate, Grace. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So this is our wardrobe. These are our shoes for Fashion Week, rehearsals, fittings and everything. This is our skincare. We have hygiene products. We have perfumes, cream, everything. We have tote bags here. We have shampoo, conditioner, air freshener. The same thing here. Laptop charger as well, wristwatch. Then we have our robes. Ooh. We have our robes for Fashion Week. We can't wait to show you guys what this looks like on us. So, stay tuned. So, yeah, we have clothes. Then, this is the work area. Come show them the... This is us. So, we have our provisions for quick breakfasts. We have plates, Milo, we have milk. Yeah, and then we have yes, Capri Sun. They say there's no age limit for Capri Sun, so don't judge us, please. Do not judge us. So yeah, this is the television. We have the bed. So I'm going to show you what I have in my bag, what I packed for Fashion Week. So in here I have trousers, shorts, tank tops, basically things that will be quick and easy to get in and out of during fittings, during rehearsals. So I have scarves, and then over here I have my hats, I have my tote bags and some more shoes, extra socks, panty liners, very essential. So yeah, I'll keep on updating you guys how everything is going, and yeah, stay tuned. We're signing out and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye, good night. It's currently 1 o'clock and we have to wake up by 6 a.m. Yeah. tomorrow for fittings and rehearsals, so we need to sleep. So bye.
A few inches later.